All right, guys, I got this unboxing for y'all. Tell y'all a little bit about it, a little backstory. If you're here, you're probably looking up embroidery machines, and this is a multi-needle 15, came from China. Tell you a little thing, it's all in the ones from China. They're pretty much the same thing, but like it's not really one better than another. The only thing they do better, some of them have better customer service. I'm just gonna be honest with you. So probably find the cheapest one with the best customer service. Anything besides that, they just run and smoke up you. All right, and mostly all of them come from China. They just import them to the U.S. or wherever country you are, and then they just mark up. The markup's crazy. So just one, I just found one. This one I actually got on eBay. I know it comes from China, but it was already in the United States, so it saved me some time. So I got it. All right, and it comes on a truck because you got to get it. You could go pick it up from a dock, or you could go to the truck could come deliver it to your house. I think it was like $400. So it just came. That's how much it was. And I'm gonna just take it over and I'll just narrate it the rest of the video. All right, it came in this box right here. It's kind of huge, stuck in my side of my house. It's the winter time, as you can see. It's snow on the ground, but thought I could get it in, but there's no way it could fit through this doorway. But as it is, there it is right there. I have some things over here. I already took them out. I'm gonna do a video, put the end of all the pieces that came with it. So I just thought I'll get a video of the unboxing of it, and then I'll just video each piece by itself. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's came up to 287 pounds. So I got some 400-pound ones. See, there you go, 287 pounds. Class 32 by 28 by 36, but it's actually like 30. That measurement is off, is why I can't get it in the house. Tried everything, and then that's what it is. So basically, everybody I've seen on YouTube, they basically take it out the box, dismantle it, and then they take it in the house. And it's too heavy for one person to lift, so you're gonna need a second person. And this thing is, I think this thing is about 200 pounds by itself. It comes with a table. You can see the table. I have to get around to that. And it comes with this other little table that goes on, I guess if you're doing bigger things. But yeah, so as you can see, that's the board right there. I guess it turns to the side. It's a pretty nice, interesting machine. And I can't wait to get it in the house. So just end this part here. Now I'll clip the rest in. And once it gets in the house, I'll show you the assembled thing. And I'll also send a picture of what it looked like, what made me interested in buying it. So any questions, always comment down below and subscribe to the channel. So all the other stuff that came with it, there's a bunch of parts. See if I can break some of it down for you. So some tools, you get 2 sets of hoops, I guess, right? Here's the wheels, the coasters, this is part of the stand. A bunch of stuff in here, part of the stand, I guess. So I gotta figure all this out. Some of this stuff I already got. For my other machine, I do have another machine. Let's see what's in here. Oh, here. Bob and rewind it. This is, what is this? Oh, it's a cap thing. I already know that it is a cap. So also I have this old Melco right here. So I'm hoping some of the stuff from this, if possible, can work with that. I mean, I know some pieces thing like this, I could use these. So I got this off I'll just say I got it. And then I got a deal on it. So I'm in the price selling it because I can't figure out get it to work. I don't have the boot disc for it. So I tried everything, you know, with everything. I tried enough to say it's older and I don't want to deal with the older problems. So this guy's why I ended up getting a new one. So, but if you have dealt with these before and you know more about them than me, and then see, I just don't know. I'm just doing with the new technology. I'm just cool with that. So that's where I'm going with mine now. But you know, if I could have hit 2 embroidery machines, I was trying to go for that. So this is some more pieces. That, I don't know what that is. I think that's like a stand or something. This is part of the stand. So I actually found this box that was in there, and this comes with the instructions to put together the stand. It comes with an owner's manual. I got this over in my living room, so kind of spread out. And these are the 2 other pillars that come with it. So I'm gonna have to get back in an hour or so, because this is what I'll be doing. Right, for the next hour, I'm trying to get some power tools to let this go, make this go a little bit faster. But you know, this instructions is basically got to look at it and see. Hey guys, I finally got it in the house, and I've been messing with this. This actually swings out. Comes how it comes out of the thing. So this swings. Got to adjust here. Could adjust it there. It's actually not that heavy. Once you take all the parts off, the machine itself is probably like average. I mean, maybe it's 100 pounds. I don't know, 150. I don't know. I had help, so it felt lighter than the other machine that you might have seen in the video. But yeah, I think it's a light right here. Light goes here. Salt packet. Keep it fresh. And I'll turn it on for you guys. I'm not doing much. Turn it on. Don't know what that is. Is it a J or something on there? Oh, it's a little screen protector. I was about to say, like, what? So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get this in English. I don't know what's going on with that. So I don't know. Before I get to touching things, I better read the book, the manual, which is the manual right here. It's not super thick or anything, so. It says it's basically whatever 15 unit you get. I mean, 15 machine, they all pretty much are the same. Some are 12, some are 15. They pretty much is the same machine. So I got this. Hopefully this will be a good investment for me and my family. You know, I'm always looking for some entrepreneurial type things to do. And yeah, and then this is for my other machine. I think I'm gonna just keep it to have a cabinet. You know, I can put my other workloads in here. And you know, this don't have much like cabinet space, but so I'll just use the cabinet right there, little work table as well. And yeah, any other questions? You know, some more pieces like this thing right here. I know this goes to something, I don't know. I think that goes on the table, so I gotta figure all this out. So it's gonna probably be a couple weeks, and I could just get to probably producing stuff, you know. So it's a big step up from my brother. Right there, my brother, and then my other one that didn't work. So yeah, so down the line I'll tell you how this went, if it's a good investment, bad investment, whatsoever. Got knobs everywhere, my guy. I'm not touching nothing. So yeah, I know it comes with some type of customer support, but the thing is, if you buy one machine, they pretty much are all similar. If you get this one with this thing on it right here, this one in 15, I know they come in all different brands, but they all pretty much do is just put their little label right there. That's all it is. So that's what I noticed the difference about all the other machines, but and the price. So the price is different, but they all basically the same machine. All right, till next time, holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. Any questions, please comment down below. If you got anything about this machine, I always reply to mostly all my comments. So if not, comment again, and I'll reply to that one if I missed it. So thank you very much. Till next time. All right, guys, this is it in the background. I finally got it plugged in, turned on. Still got I only did 2 threads, so got a little bit more to go. But I thought I'd give you a picture of what it looks like when it's on. Gotta figure out how to take this hat hoop off, and that about it. But yeah, no, it comes with this little light too. Figure this little light out. Ooh, there we go. Oh, okay. Yeah. There we go. It's magnetic. All right. Well, I learned something new with you guys. Right there. So, thanks for tuning in. Thumbs up the video.